This is honestly one of the coolest digital products I've come across on Etsy. And guess what? You should totally start selling it today. It's a digital product, so you won't need to ship anything. Just create a quick design, upload it to your shop, and boom, you're ready to sell. If we take a closer look at this listing, you'll see it's making tons of sales. At the time of recording this video, it's selling for just $2.05, and it already has nearly 12,000 reviews, all amazing ones. Now, if we do a little math, that means the seller made around $25,000 just from buyers who actually left a review. But we all know not everyone leaves a review, right? So realistically, this product probably made over $50,000 in total sales. Pretty awesome, right? Makes you want to start today, huh? The seller mentioned it's a digital item, so there's nothing physical to ship, just instant download. Let me explain exactly what this amazing product is. It's called a popsicle stick activity, or as we like to say, ice cream stick activity. The idea behind it is genius. These activities help young kids learn basic geometric shapes in a fun, hands-on way. The seller designed the pages at a standard size, 8.5 by 11 inches, perfect for printing. So here's how it works. The seller doesn't sell the actual popsicle sticks. They only sell the printable activity pages. Each page has a shape drawn with popsicle sticks, and the child's task is to build the same shape using real popsicle sticks on top of the paper. For example, the kid sees a square, rectangle, or triangle drawn out, and they try to recreate it. It's both a fun game and a learning activity, helping preschoolers learn 2D geometric shapes in a creative way. So again, the printable file only includes the pages, while the popsicle sticks are provided by the parent at home. All right, now let's jump straight into designing these pages ourselves, quickly and easily. We'll go to canva.com and create a new design with the dimensions 8.5 by 11 inches. Next, press T on your keyboard to add text. Type the name of the shape we're designing. Let's start simple with a square. Move the text to the bottom of the page, choose a nice font, and maybe change the color to red. You can even add a thin black outline around the word to make it stand out more. Now, let's design the geometric shape itself. Using popsicle sticks, head to the Elements section, then to Shapes. Scroll down a little and choose a rectangle. That's perfect for representing a popsicle stick. Change its color to red and stretch it slightly to look like a real stick. Remember, we're building a square, which means it has 4 equal sides. So copy this shape and rotate it to form the right side. Let's make this one blue. Now copy it again, make that side orange for the left, and finally another copy. Color it green for the bottom. And there you go. A colorful square built from 4 sticks. But there's one more detail you should pay attention to. If we look closely at the original product, you'll notice how the sticks overlap slightly at the corners. For example, the green stick goes over the blue one on the top right corner. On the top left, the blue goes over the orange. Then, the orange overlaps the red. And finally, the red overlaps the green. This layering helps the child see how the sticks should be glued together properly and keeps the shape from breaking apart easily. So, how do we do that in Canva? Start from the top right. The blue stick is already on top of the red. Then at the top left, make sure the red goes over the orange. Just duplicate and shorten it slightly. Repeat this process for each corner until your sticks overlap perfectly. Looks great already, right? Now, let's design another shape to make it even clearer, a rectangle. Duplicate your first page. Now, remember, a rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. So, make the horizontal sides, the red and green sticks, longer, and make the vertical sides, the blue and orange, shorter. Arrange them, and again, adjust the corners using the same layering technique. In less than 2 minutes, we've got a perfect rectangle. All right, last one for this video. Let's try something a little trickier, a triangle. Change the text at the bottom from rectangle to triangle. We'll use the blue and orange sticks for the triangle sides, so let's make them a bit longer. Rotate the orange stick to around 60 degrees and the blue stick to around minus 120 degrees. Then bring them together at the top. Now add a green stick at the bottom as the base and adjust its length to fit nicely. And just like that, you've made a triangle. Now let's fix the layering again. Make the blue overlap the orange and the orange overlap the green. If forward doesn't work right in Canva, you can just duplicate the stick and shorten it slightly, like we did before. And there you have it, a clean, colorful, and easy triangle design. And that's it. You can keep designing more shapes using this exact same method. It's super simple and fast. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit like, and leave a positive comment. I actually reply to all your comments. This product takes less than 30 minutes to design, and honestly, there's almost no competition on Etsy right now, so it's a great opportunity to start making real sales. Check out my latest videos. I share other easy to design products that sell really well on Etsy. Keep learning, keep creating, and you'll start seeing amazing results. I've been in this business for over 7 years, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.